Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs on Infiniti Q60 easy method. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing the engine cover to access the ignition coils. Use a ratchet and spark plug socket to remove each coil, then gently extract old plugs. Inspect plug gaps and replace with OEM parts, torquing to spec. Work methodically and label wires to avoid mix-ups and keep the workspace clean for a smooth job. I'll walk you through the tools and parts you need so the job goes fast and clean. Gather a ratchet, 6 extension, spark plug socket, torque wrench, and dielectric grease. Choose the correct OEM spark plugs and check the gap before installation. Keep a magnetic tray for fasteners and a shop rag to catch oil. Having labeled bags for bolts prevents confusion and speeds reassembly. Set your phone timer to avoid sitting in one position too long. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable, durable wear during greasy jobs. I personally love the fit and they hold up through shop days. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you want quality. Now let's get back to the video. In step-by-step order, remove coils, pull plugs, and inspect each for fouling or damage. Use compressed air to clear debris from spark plug wells before removal. Replace plugs one at a time to maintain firing order and prevent mix-ups. Apply a small amount of anti-seize if recommended, and hand start threads before torquing. Reconnect coils and battery, then test for smooth idle and no engine codes while monitoring for leaks carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.